Hey everybody, Lance the option teacher here. This video I'm going to go over SRX trades. We just launched the QQQ and IWM trades as well. I was a bit busy today. These are 4 of the many trades that I did. So let's look at what happened in the chart. This was the first trade I did on SPY, 9 o'clock Central, or at 692.98 or so. I bought a 693 put. You can see the EMA down here and also a break and retest. So 2 different levels of confirmation here. Bought the 693 put, 2.18. It dropped quite a bit. I closed to a 2.27 and then I moved my stop on the third contract to break even. So I moved my stop to 2.18. If it happens to move back up, I'm still profitable on the trade. But as you can see, it keeps dropping down. And then I closed my runner at 2.78. So overall, a really good trade here. I was just moving my stop to more and more profits as it kept dropping. I'd move my stop to 2.3, 2.4, and so on. And then eventually I stopped out at 2.78. If you see up here, this is my confirmation, 2.27, 2.27 close, 2.78 was the last close. I didn't show the entry on that screenshot, but as you'll see later, I did show every trade. Okay, here was trade number 2. We hit a max low. The market was dropping really hard. If I kept that put, I would have made way more than I did, but I want to make sure I lock in profits. We hit a max low at around 9:50 Central Standard Time. And then because of the max low, I actually did a reversal trade, bought a call, 1.61, closed it out at 1.86 when you see that up move right here. Here's a trade confirmation. 9:52 and 59 seconds, bought in at 1.61, and then 4 minutes later, closed it out at 1.86. I do for reversal trades like this, I'll do a 10% stop loss, 15% profit target on a limit order. I just entered the trade on active trader, didn't even look at the market at that point, and it hit the target profit. Here was trade number 3. I did this on QQQ. Again, members have access to IWM and QQQ for the next 7 days if you want to get even more possible wins, not only on SPY. This is a risk reversal. I'll show the time period when I show the order confirmation. 620 call, touched the max low on QQQ. Bought this at 2.07. Market went up right after, closed at 2.39. Here's the order confirmation, 10:09 Central, bought at 2.07. 2 minutes later, not even, a minute and a half later, 2.39. I did again the OCO order, stop at 10%, limit for profit at 15%. Didn't have to even look at the trade, just entered it when I saw it hit the max low, OCO, and that's it.